Polisi Arati mega yuko kora kurase kagambiro ge county ya Nyamira ni gochinga ke cyanyara libagari ya bene nakonyara gosanga n'abamenyi be county ya Nyamira se ritukuri ya lero asemambia ya lero okwana kuranseme yu Arati ni gate yabuna mbache kubwaterana arogongo rwa Gusii county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira eriko ne kibuno bwa gachungo kirani gubole bwa university ase county ya Nyamira korenga na Arati ni gate yabuno kwa gacho university me county ya Nyamira ni gokora konye university yukonyara ose county ya Nyamira konyara kwegendere na guikinia anemona ase birengo byo uchumi amone chinse muchinde negate biromba chikobuli muri bwense kwa ne kibuna ngoso aname nabo ikokobwaterana amone wizara echisemi kwa ne kibuna university yunkwa gachwere asensemijyo ya Nyamira
amangana university ntotagete na Nyamira nere kine university kewo chagaiga Nyamira yakorere nduke ya kine ige campus ntotagete tosugume tore tubole mheshimiwa president tore asugume tonyole university gaiga mo wanja boyo abantu amintu ntete bengo kora inche buno mwana chama vice chairman ya ODM nkomeki tole shua twarosie kiama baba ngogenda reyu lakini totete kakogenda atotigere na ntoko bokonga mo wanja boyo igo we are determined to make sure the country moves forward despite all other difficulties. We'll make sure our counties, especially Kisii and Nyamira, we are at the forefront. Again, also we are equal to the task to make sure as a country we have leaders from here in Kisii and Gusii land to be at the helm of leadership of this country. We had one of our own, Mheshimiwa Matiang'i. I know he'll come at the right time. We will be with him. We have other leaders who will join the race for 2027. And we are determined to make sure the leadership of this country, one day, one time, the leadership of Kisii